Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of our Tamil Nadu Kanyakumari express ride. So we just had a breakfast at Kanyakumari, and right now we are riding towards Nagarkovil, and then from there we'll be riding to Trivandrum. So far two motorcycles are riding, and in this part of the video one of my friend will be joining me with this Harley Davidson. So he will be riding with me for some part of this video, and from there again myself and my friend on the Royal Enfield Himalayan will be continuing the journey. So here we are just exiting Kanyakumari and entering the national highway. We are riding towards Nagarkovil. So this part of the ride will be somewhat tough, I have to say, because the Nagarkovil Trivandrum road will be having usually it will be having a lot of traffic and today being a holiday, traffic will be there. So I am expecting somewhat tough ride here. So do watch this video completely and enjoy part 2 of our Tamil Nadu Kerala express ride. And here we are, we have exited the national highway, and we are riding towards Nagarkovil, from where we will be riding to Trivandrum. And we are riding through Nagarkovil town now, and we will be crossing the town in another 5 minutes. So riding in these roads makes me feel quite nostalgic. So most of you might not be knowing that I worked at Trivandrum city for almost 3 years. From 2014 to the fag end of 2016 I was working there, and that is where I bought my Ninja 300. And what I was doing was, I was every week I was traveling from Trivandrum to my home, which is 190 kilometers, using my Ninja 300. I used to travel on weekends and get back to Trivandrum on Sundays. So that is how I put a lot of kilometers on my Ninja 300. So looking at those roads and these places makes me feel nostalgic. So just we have entered the Trivandrum route, and Trivandrum should be around 60 to 65 kilometers from here. So this is the interstate road, and most of the times this road will be pretty busy. The roads are not very wide, they are quite narrow for a interstate road, and there will be traffic. And in another 10 to 15 kilometers one more friend of mine will be joining with this Harley Davidson. Slow moving traffic is there. Usually evening time this road will be pretty busy, and now even during daytime it seems the road is quite busy, because this will take a lot of my riding time. classic 2K kits, I think, and both of those are Yamaha R15 motorcycles. Those motorcycles generate less than 10% of the power of this zx10r, but still, due to their nimbleness, they are the kings on these roads. And here we are joined by the Harley Davidson Street 755. So we are going to ride together with the Harley Davidson and the Himalayan. And one thing which I noted is the Harley is more louder than my ZX, and I can hear the sound of the Harley from here. I'm almost a bus length away from the Harley, but still the exhaust note of the Harley is quite audible to me. And finally, here we are at the Tamil Nadu Kerala border at a place called Kanyakumari. And this is where we cross the border and exit Tamil Nadu state, and we are going to enter Kerala state. For the first time, I am taking my zx10r into Kerala state. And this is the Tamil Nadu state checkpost, and right now we are exiting Tamil Nadu state, and here we are into Kerala state. The thing is, it is illegal in Kerala state to have a camera mounted on your helmet. So what I am going to do is, I'm going to mount the camera on my fuel tank and then continue the ride. And here I have mounted my camera on the fuel tank of my motorcycle, and there is actually a small change of plan. Actually, we are not going to touch Trivandrum city. We are going to bypass the city. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take a diversion at a place called Neyatingara, just some 15 to 20 kilometers before Trivandrum city, and then we are going to take the Tenmalai route. So we have another 7 kilometers before we take the diversion at Neyatingara, and I'm quite surprised because on the Kerala state நல்ல வேலை கையில் பிடிச்சிட்டேன். பிடிக்க மாட்டானே. So as we saw, I averted tragedy by a whisker. My suction mount came off my fuel tank, and by a whisker I was able to save my GoPro. Otherwise my GoPro would have fallen off from my motorcycle. So what I did now is I once again mounted my GoPro on my helmet, and we have diverted from the national highway, and now we have started riding into the side roads, and I heard this will be somewhat shorter, and I think this road is surrounded by trees and there is no traffic, so I think the ride will be pretty good, I think. So guys, it's time to finish our Tamil Nadu Kerala express ride part 2. So we were severely dehydrating, and we just had some fruit drinks to refresh and re-energize ourselves to continue the ride. So that's the end of my Tamil Nadu Kerala ride part 2. So stay tuned to see you all in part 3. Part 3 is going to be the most exciting part, because we are going to ride through the forests of Tenmalai. Stay tuned, guys.